Hello everyone and welcome back to the GCSE Maths Series. Today we're going to be taking a look at midpoint of a line. So, getting straight into it, the midpoint of a line is the exact middle point between two ends of that line. And the formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2. So the answer to the midpoint is going to be in the form of coordinates. So, an example I'm going to run through with you guys before we get onto some harder style questions is find the midpoint of the line segment A 2, 3 and B 6, 7. So, let's draw a line like this and call this 2, 3. Actually, no, a better way to draw this line would be to draw it like this. So, this is our point A, 2, 3. This is our point B, 6, 7. Okay, and our midpoint is somewhere about here. So the way we do this is we first label our coordinates. So we call this x1, this y1, this x2, this y2. And we then use our formula of x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. So x1 plus x2 is 2 plus 6 over 2. y1 plus y2 is 3 plus 7 over 2. And this gives us 4, 5. So the midpoint of our line is 4, 5. Moving on, I'm going to give you guys an opportunity now to do these questions before I tell you the answers. Pause the video now and play on once you've completed it. So the endpoints of a line segment are P minus 4, 9 and Q 2 minus 3. Find the coordinates of the midpoint. So minus 4, 9, we'll draw that here. And our 2 minus 3 is going to be somewhere here. So we'll call this Q2 minus 3. So to find our midpoint, we do our x1 plus our x2 over 2. So that's going to be minus 4 plus 2 over 2. And our 9 minus 3, well, plus minus 3 over 2. And this is going to give us minus 4 plus 2. It's going to give us minus 2 over 2 is minus 1. 9 minus 3 is going to be 6 over 2 is going to be 3. So our midpoint is going to be minus 1, 3. Now, point A, 1, 5 is one end of a line segment. The midpoint of the segment is 4, 2. Find the coordinates of the other endpoint. So we'll call this x1 and this one y1. Right. So looking at our midpoint formula, this is a representation of our midpoint. So we can call this an expression for our midpoint, right? And we know for some values of x1, x2, y1, and y2, our midpoint will become 4, 2. So filling in the information that we know that 1 plus x2 over 2 is equal to 4, and 5 plus y2 over 2 equals to 2. Now solving these individually, we can say that first times through by 2 on both sides. Looking at the first equation, we get 1 plus x2 equals to 8. Then x2 is equal to 8 minus 1. So x2 is equal to 7. Then looking at this question here, we times through by 2 and we get 5 plus y2 equals to 4. And y2 is equal to minus 1. So our endpoint B is equal to 7 minus 1. So if we were to draw this out, it would be something like A would be here and B would be here. And it would be a negative line like that. And our midpoint, as I said, was 4, 2, right in the middle of them two right there. So that's going to conclude today's episode on midpoint of a line segment. Very short video today because it is such a small topic, but a necessary topic for your mathematical understanding. So